Hey guys, HaxerTech here for another video tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about a website called put.io, which allows you to torrent and download your videos and TV shows that you want to watch on your smartphone, your television, PC, and whatever device that you want to use. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you here is on your mobile device how you can use this app, but I also wanted to show you an easy way to be able to get the files that you'll need to be able to get into this website. So I'm going to show you how to do that on your phone, and I actually use the app, a certain app that I'm going to show you here, for both watching on TV on my smartphone device, as well as if I'm using it on my computer. So I'm always getting the torrents the same way. But you can access that content on all these different devices. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I'm going to show you here is the actual put.io app. And you can see here I have it in my folder. I'm going to go ahead and launch this so you can see what it looks like. And so basically the layout here is pretty simple. You can create your own custom folders here where you want to put your content. And by default, we'll just look at our account page here. You can see that it shows you how much space you actually have free. Now, I think this is the best value in terms of getting movies and shows and things that you just wouldn't be able to find, for example, on Netflix and other services. Obviously, there are so many torrents available for so much content that sometimes you just can't get anywhere else. So it's really nice that you can really use this for anything that you want. And you get 100 gigs with the very basic plan, which is $10 a month, which is essentially the cost of Netflix. And quite honestly, I think you could use this service as a replacement for Netflix because everything that you need to watch that could potentially be on Netflix, you'd be able to find elsewhere and get on the service almost instantly. So here what I can do is I can show you in my folder here. I don't have anything in here right now, or at least in the folder I'm going to be showing you, but all I have to do is click on the plus button and click on the magnet link button once I've copied the torrent that I want to actually put in here. So you can use a locally downloaded torrent file, or you can actually just use the link. So this is where we're going to look at the actual application that I'm talking about. Now I'm going to go back to my home screen here, and we're going to open up the application that I'm referencing here. And that application is called Torrent Search Engine. Now I'll provide the links in the description here, but this is a very simple application that allows you to search a very large number of different torrent websites. And so you can actually find the torrent on whichever site you want to use, but you can just kind of look through what's available. So for example, if we were looking for The Walking Dead, and then I just click on search here, you can see that what it's going to do is search through all these different mainstream torrent sites. You can scroll through here, and for example, if I wanted to go to the Pirate Bay, TBB, you can see that it's going to list out everything here, and it's super easy to use because I can just click on the torrent that I want to try. And you can see I have 569 seeds here in this particular example, so I would just copy the magnet link. And then I'm going to go back into put.io. I'm going to click on the magnet link option, and I'm going to paste it in here. Alright, so once I paste in the URL, click on add. And now if I refresh the page here, you're going to notice that it's immediately there. And this is the thing that I like most about the service as compared to other services, is that this is instantaneous. Even shows and movies and things that immediately have just kind of come out. So for example, if a TV show aired 2 hours ago and there's now a torrent available for it, you'll find that in this service it's almost immediately there, because every time someone is actually trying to upload that file, or have rather successfully uploaded the file to the service, it's then available for everyone that tries to search for it. So now that I have it here, someone else has obviously watched this particular episode through the put.io application or through the service, and so now that it's already on their servers, it's available to actually stream. Now when I click on it, I can either stream it or I can download it locally if I want, but I typically just stream it. And if I click on the stream option here, it's going to allow me to choose how I want to stream it. Now you can use whatever you want. There's the built-in video player on some Android devices. For me, I always use MX Player Pro, so I just choose my application of choice here. And then you can see what's going to happen is it's going to actually start playing that episode. And you can see this is the full episode. It's available immediately. There's no latency or wait time to actually play that episode. It's available immediately, which is really great. So that's how you would actually download or stream the video on your application on your device, on your mobile device. So that's one way you can do it. Obviously, you can also do it through your PC or through your television set. So I wanted to give a quick look at the view here if you were using it on other devices as well. So if you wanted to watch a movie or TV show through your PC, you can just go to put.io.com, and they have a web layout here, which is pretty similar to the mobile app that I was just using. And you can see here on the actual website that it actually converts the video. And so this is an MKV video, but all I have to do is simply click on the play button here, and it's actually going to play through my web browser. Another cool thing is in some cases you can even actually watch subtitles, which is a really nice thing that is kind of unique to this service. There are some other services that offer it, but the way that you can do it here is really great, because you can either watch subtitles if there's a subtitle file already available through the torrent, but alternatively, you can also click on the Add Your Own button, and you can browse your PC for a subtitle file. You can go to any subtitle website that you want, download the subtitles for the TV show, for the movie, or whatever it is that you're trying to watch, and then it'll attach that file to the video so that when you play it, you'll have the option to actually choose subtitles. Then you can watch them on the video, which is really nice. You can see here that on your PC you have a number of different other options here. I can stream this through Chromecast. I can download it locally again on my PC. I can use VLC to play it. And the other thing that's really nice too is you can even send a streamable link to others. Now, there's only a certain number of users who can actually access that link, but if I wanted to create this MP4 stream link, for example, I can actually get a link here where I can actually send this, and it'll be playable by someone who doesn't even have the put.io service. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to share this particular file with someone, the easiest way actually to do that is to just select this particular file. Now, just as a correction, I was originally thinking that you could do this through the application, but that app is actually a third-party developer, so it looks like that's not available there. But you can just go to put.io.com through your mobile web browser, and it'll load the mobile version of the site, and you can just go and click on this option and click on the share button. And you can see here you can share this with anyone that you want to be able to stream that file. Now, this is for anything that you upload here. You can also upload any particular file that you want. So, for example, if you wanted to upload, say, a personal video of some kind, then you can just use the upload feature here, upload file, and you can actually upload that straight to the service here. All right, so yeah, if you wanted to upload any personal video files or even audio files, your MP3 files, whatever you want, you can upload all that content here. So this does double as essentially 100 gigs of storage for any files that you want. But the unique feature here, of course, is being able to immediately access these torrent files. Now finally, I wanted to show you the interface on your TV, and I am accessing this through my PC, but this is the interface you would get on a PC, or on a TV rather. And the nice thing about this is really the flexibility of how many devices this works on. It works natively on the Fire TV. There is a way, and it actually explains it on the website, how you can access this on a Roku device, which is really nice. And it even has a dedicated Samsung app, which is what I use on my Samsung Smart TV. So you can actually download this exact app in the exact format that you see it here on your Samsung TV. And you'll be able to play your files really easily. So you just use your controller for your TV to kind of scroll up and down on these files here, and then you would just use your enter button to select the file that you want to play, and you'll get this option here where you'll be able to just play it locally. And so I can actually just go ahead and use my selection tool on my remote control and play it through my TV. So you can see that it's very easy to use this service to play any of the different files that you want, anything that you have on here. Again, this service is really a great value in terms of pricing. So it's only $10 a month is the starting price, and they do have different plans, which basically just determines how much space you need. Now, with 100 gigs, you could really have probably up to 100 different videos on your account, and typically whatever files I'm putting on here, I'm just going to be essentially deleting them anyway when I'm done with them. You can always put them back on there later on if you want anyway, but it's completely up to you. All right, so that's it. That's just a quick look at this service here. I wanted to share it with you guys and would like your feedback. Let me know what you think. There are a lot of free services out there that allow you to stream these different movies and TV shows, but nothing really works as efficiently or smoothly, at least that I've found, as this service. And again, certainly it could potentially replace Netflix and Hulu and other services for you depending on your needs. Now, before I go, I did want to just have a quick call out here. Now, I do not have a sponsor for this video, but I did want to share with you, and I have shared on other videos before, this website, stacksocial. I'll leave a link in the description to this as well, but I just wanted to share it with you. And this is, again, a website that allows you to get some free goodies in terms of different programs and services, training for tech things, and all that kind of stuff. But the greatest part of this website is the incredible deals on software and gadgets that you wouldn't be able to find on other websites, or at least I haven't been able to. So definitely check it out. There's great deals on antivirus software, storage solutions, and all those different things. Feel free to check it out and see if you find anything useful. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.